Hi everyone, it's Lexi. Welcome to Lexi's Moments. We are here outside of Home Depot shopping for a fridge. I'm so excited, and that's when you know you're an adult, when you get excited for shopping for a fridge. But technically, this isn't going to be our first fridge that we buy. Well, actually, it might be our first, but we had bought a fridge before. It was like our dream fridge. It had like so many doors, but there was one problem. It wouldn't fit through our door frame. So unfortunately, we couldn't accept the fridge. We had to return it. But now we are on a mission for a new fridge. A more modern, no, not modern, maybe a more modest, yes, modest fridge. So I hope they let me film in there. So we'll see what kind of fridges they got. Here they are, the fridge section. Some more fridges over there. See, I like this fridge with the door on the bottom. But this fridge has a water dispenser, and it's just a 2-door. There's like so many fridge options. This is a more modern one, electronic. This one is super modern. The thing with these is like it kind of hurts your hand over a while. Like I feel like it's harder to open without it hurting your fingers. I feel like this one too is like tricky. There's so many fridge options. This is what I mean by you get a lot more excited with stuff like this when you're an adult. Like I can't wait to put my groceries in here. This one's pretty cool. Prices are a little steep. Alright, we'll keep walking this way. There's another fridge aisle.
Resistant stainless steel standard glass.
So the thing with these is like, yeah, they have the doors, but they don't have a water dispenser. It's kind of bright. But if we're gonna get a fridge like this, I'd rather get one with the water dispenser. We won't really need a water dispenser because my mother-in-law already has a fridge with a water dispenser, so I think we're gonna get a smaller fridge. But in the future, we do plan on getting one with the water dispenser. We were thinking a fridge like this. Just has like the freezer and then the bottom. Like this is nice, right? But I'm looking at the price. For example, that's almost $900. For like $100-$200 more, we could get a fridge like this with the water dispenser for like $1,098. Like just $200 more, you might as well get this one. You see what I'm saying? Pretty crazy to think about. But these are the things we gotta consider, especially if we're gonna have something for a long time. This fridge is a mirror, but it's a touch screen. That's really cool. This one is also touchscreen. That's crazy. Pretty cool though. Has a water dispenser. That's cool. I can see myself getting maybe one of these in the future for sure. This is off topic, but these washer and dryer setup is so gorgeous. Look at the color. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I would want one of these in the future, but we don't need them right now. But it's gorgeous. I love the color. My husband is playing around with the water dispensers.
From the inside.
Oh, that's cool. Inside water dispenser has like its own thing.
It's like a shake, free shake.
And you get the water from here. That's cool.
You can put it in here to filter out whatever you need to filter.
Oh,
for
cool.
juices and such.
That's awesome.
I'm assuming this is for ice.
The little scooper. Oh, cool. compartment. This fridge. Oh yeah, this fridge has a temperature setting on the side, and it has like really cool like bluish gray color. It's really cool. So this was a Samsung. They also have the freezer down here with the double compartment. 1,500. No water dispenser, but it's still really cool.
Yeah.
We got it. We got the fridge. This is actually our dream fridge. I wasn't expecting to get it. I was thinking we were gonna get something more smaller, but in the end we ended up getting our dream fridge with a water dispenser. I love the inside. Look at that. I love the color. And then my husband is pointing out that these are sturdy. And then of course the 2 doors, fruits and veggies, and then frozen poultry, ice cream, chicken nuggets, things like that.
We just want to know what this is.
Oh yeah, we don't know what this part is. We should have asked
It's for
the
sausage.
guy. And then more compartments right here for the ice. I'm excited. I can't wait. We're gonna get this fridge delivered, and when it gets delivered I will be showing you guys what's in my fridge. Awesome. Hey everyone, it is August 5th, 8 days later, and it's here. It's finally here. Our brand new fridge. I honestly didn't realize how big it was gonna look. Oh my god. It looks so beautiful though. I can't believe I'm so excited over a fridge, you guys. Oh my god, let's open it. Brand new. Everything is covered in its own plastic. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I definitely am gonna have to wait until my husband wakes up so we could remove all of this plastic together and put everything where this needs to be. I'm pretty sure these like go right here, and then the settings here, and this you could open up all the way, and you can adjust this. I don't know how yet, but I know you could adjust it to section off whatever you need to section off. And then bottom freezer, I'm so excited. It has like levels, first level and then the second level. This is amazing, you guys. This is my first fridge ever. Well, me and my husband's first fridge ever. I love it. I'm in love, you guys. And then we have our water dispenser, which we are not going to be using because we're going to be using my mother-in-law's water dispenser. And here's her fridge. It's lasted her for years apparently. She's had it since the 90s. I don't know what year, but I'm like, damn, that's a good brand to have. But she's actually so nice because even though we didn't have a fridge, she of course welcomed us to all of her food. However, we needed our own space. Because if you open it, as you can see, it's like full. Everything is full, including the freezer. So there's like absolutely no way that our own groceries, when me and my husband cook, fits in here. I'm talking about like frozen chicken, vegetables, milk, like everything, eggs, everything. Just will not simply fit in here. I mean, we do have some of our stuff here right now, like the Greek yogurt and my little Gatorade. But she's like, don't be shy, don't feel embarrassed, you grab anything, cook anything, use the kitchen whenever you want. She's like, don't be shy. And I'm like, yeah, I was, because I don't want to just go in and grab your food, you know? I'm not like that. But she was very sweet to share her fridge. So that's one thing I did want to mention to you guys, because it's not like, oh, we had to have our fridge, or like, oh, there's like no other place or an option that we had. But it just feels nice to have our very own fridge with our own stuff, our own groceries, and not have to worry about taking up anybody else's space, because we're gonna have our own. So I'm very excited. And yeah, you guys, this is our dream fridge. Like, we have been keeping an eye on this fridge since when we got married. But like I had mentioned before, we tried to get this fridge when we were living at my parents' house, but it wouldn't fit through the door. It was like one frame door, and it was simply too big. It wouldn't fit through the door unless we removed some of these doors just to make it fit. It was just like too much. It was too much. And so now we finally have it. I'm so excited. Right now we are gonna go eat, and I'm pretty sure if you have been following me for a while now, you know where we're gonna go. We're at KFC.
I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Nice. Can't forget the hot sauce. I'm gonna want a spicy chicken sandwich, large fries, large lemonade. That's a lemonade. Yay! Alright, you guys, we are back home. I got myself Chick-fil-A with the lemonade and a spicy deluxe with fries, and then just KFC. It's gonna be for my husband. He loves KFC. I like it too, but he loves it. Got a spicy deluxe with extra pickles. They hooked it up. Gotta have the Chick-fil-A sauce, Texas Pete sauce. So we're gonna eat right now, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we just got done eating. They told us to wait like 3 hours for it to get to the correct temperature for the fridge and the freezer, and they told us we have to clean it or wash it or something. So we're gonna be doing that. That's satisfying.
Like, you think about the people who taped all of this.
Ouch.
They're like, you know, triple strapped with
Maybe that's why they told us to clean it, because they were like, oh, these guys' hands are dirty. They're touching all over it.
in Spanish.
Oh, it's telling us to close the door. Okay, there's like paper all the way back here. There we go. Ooh. I love the color of these. They're like grayish. Okay.
So this is voltage, which is a good thing to know, because in case the house power goes down, we have to know how much we're going to be using. But the estimated energy cost, 106. That's pretty crazy. The other fridges that I looked at, they were like 36 bucks. So this fridge does use a lot of energy.
Oh,
that's
crazy.
An extra $100 per month, basically. That's what we're paying. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it's just like a styrofoam, so it doesn't move.
That's fine.
And then
Humidity
that one
control.
too.
I don't know what that means.
Maybe to keep your vegetables.
This one right here, that's the humidity.
Yeah, to keep the vegetables, I think, so they don't go bad. Let us know in the comments. We're new at this. This is like opening a Christmas present.
Look at this.
Oh dang! It's like really trying to warn us now.
Yeah, because the temperature is going up.
Oh, I see. Ooh. Right here? Okay, this one I will wash up a little too. I'll wash all of these. And then you can spray it down, I guess.
This will be our very first thing in the fridge.
KFC.
Then we know it's on a Tuesday.
Awesome. The very first food that we ever put in our first fridge. Okay. So, I'm assuming those go right there. And they're all the same size. Not really. Okay. And then this one looks different. I kind of want to peel up this sticker. Oh, nice. help?
Let's go right here.
Not sure. Oh yeah. Beautiful.
Now.
Nice.
Now it's time to buy a lot of chicken.
For the meal prep.
A lot of chicken. I haven't tried the turkey yet. I don't know yet, but for sure, a lot of different kinds of hot sauces.
Oh, how'd you do that, my love? How were you able to move it?
Lefty loosey.
Oh. Well, I ruined it. How'd you have it?
It doesn't matter.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Hot.
Oh, cool.
Not really sugary.
There's my block of pepper jack. Yay! It finally has its own designated spot and doesn't need to stay in the box. Just this little small detail alone is like satisfying. Yeah. So that's the ground turkey. And then I'll grab my chicken nuggies. You guys, this is my dino nuggies. You guys know that I'm only allowed certain things to eat now. So I had to get these because these are gluten-free, apparently. And then my ice cream is all we're missing. I think that was it. I had another ice cream, but I finished that one. And then this one is actually no sugar added. And it's crazy because it tastes just as good. So we'll bring this one. Right here. Alright, so we got dino nuggies, ice cream, poultry area right here. Beautiful sodas right here. I think that was it, my love. I don't think we had anything else. There's none. We ate it all. And then something that I was kind of sad about was like I was kind of craving pancakes, and I know I can't really have regular pancakes. But then we also found this syrup that's sugar-free, and it literally tastes exactly like regular syrup, and you would never notice the difference. And something I can still have is make quesadillas. So there's like my little piece of pepper jack cheese with my tortillas. I love these tortillas, by the way. They're great for burritos, quesadillas, and then my husband's mozzarella cheese, which honestly I've been using on top of like my rice and stuff. It's really good. All right. And then this side, our Greek yogurts. These are my husband's egg whites. It's more for like his meal prepping. And my lonesome Gatorade. So that is what's in our fridge. I'm so happy we have a fridge now though. Everyone, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you aren't yet subscribed. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next vlog.